Hello, ma'am. This is the second part of the demo for answering question number two. And to recreate this circuit that I have worked on, we will have to go to another empty circuit. And to answer the question number two, we will have to recreate the output that I have made a while ago. And then in this question two, we only have three inputs which will be labeled as A, B, and C. We, this will be facing south, and then we will be labeling it as A, B, D, and C. In the previous video, we will also do uh, the uh, the SOP, but this time we will be using the NOR gates. And starting off, we will be making a NOR gates which will be placed here. NOR gate. And since we have two inputs, since we will be only using two inputs, make the number of inputs to two. And then paste and copy paste for convenience. And then we will be adjusting it here, and then we will be putting another target below. We will be adjusting it to lessen our work. And then after that, we will be adding another. We will be adding another targets here, and then another pair here, and then another one to the front, and I will adjust it here, and then we will be having any output here, and there you go. And for the next step, we will be connecting the inputs. The C input goes here in the first NAND gate. Yes, in the first NAND gate. We will be connecting it like this. And then after that, we will be putting a C input here also on the bottom to satisfy the formula or the equation. And then for letter B, input B, we will be putting it here in the third NOR gate. And then lastly, for the A input, And then after that, we will be connecting it to the next logic gates, IC gates. And then here. This first four logic gates, this will serve as an inverter for the inputs of A, B, and C. And it will be C prime. We will be labeling it C prime. And then this is the A input, and this will be the B prime, and this will be the C input. And after that, we will be connecting it to the next NOR gates. And then this this will be the next, I mean the current NOR gate, which is this one in the middle, will be serving as NOR as AND. And there we go, we'll be connecting it to the next. Before we connect, we will be labeling the gates as AC prime, since we combine the inputs of C prime and A. This will be therefore A and C. Where is it? AC prime. AC prime. And then this will be prime C. And there we go. There is the B prime C. And then we connect the next inputs to the next, we will be connecting it to the next targets. And this NOR gate will serve as NOR as OR. The NOR here will be negated and becomes OR. And lastly, this will be labeled as the AC prime plus BC prime, since we combine the input for A, C prime, and B prime C, resulting into this output. Uh, there's a mistake. I am sorry. This will be removed, because it will be placed here in the next IC. We will be undoing it. This will be placed, supposedly this will be placed here, and then we'll be connecting it here, and then this goes here, and the same goes for the bottom part. This is supposed to be here, and then this will go to the next IC circuit. that is the answer for question number two. And to prove that it is working supposedly, which is based on the uh, video lecture SOP table, it is the same with the previous key. In the previous we used NAND and here we use NOR, but the outputs are the same. And to prove that it is the same, we have the three inputs here as 0. We also have a 0 output here, which is if we go back to the question 1, uh, it is the same. And then with the C input of 1, the output will be 1. And for B, there will be no input. Uh, there is no input. And then B and C, there is no input. I mean output. And then if we put an input in A, there will have an output of 1. And the same goes for A and C. There is an output of 1. And then for A and B, if we put two two inputs of 1, there will be an output of 1. And lastly, if we put an input for the three inputs A, B, and C, we will be having an output of 0. And for the next video, we will be discussing how to answer question 7.